Hello friends, welcome to IndianShareTips.com. Today we have made a small video to let the readers know about our procedure of giving Bank Nifty option tips, how the stop loss is given and how the profit is generated. Today is 17th May 21. So today we had given at 9:32 a.m. a buy call in call 33,000 at 181 with stop loss 165. Now somebody can ask that how do we believe that at 9:32 a.m. this price was prevalent? So no worries. We have got this screenshot from the software of the day, and you can see 1 minute candle. High of the day that time was 183.65. So you be rest assured that whenever our call is given, you will be able to get the strike price. Now some of our friends can ask that at 9:32 a.m. if we are looking for the strike, we will miss out on the entry price. This is a very valid question. We have addressed this question in the form that at 10 minutes past 9 we tell you one call and one put. So you are ready with these call and put on your screen and get going in the market. So at the right opportune time you have to just press the buy button. Bank Nifty option is one of the most rewarding way of making money, because you can see that by 10:16 a.m. in less than 45 minutes we were able to hit a price of 336. By 11:46 we had hit a price of 439, and by 3 p.m. we had hit a high of 650, and by the end of the day we had hit a high of 725. As you can see that Bank Nifty option is one of the most rewarding way, and it requires a very small capital of 10,000 rupees. Let's calculate. In the today's call, stop loss was just 16 points, so per lot risk was just 16 into 25, that is 400 rupee per lot. Why we are multiplying with 25? Because Bank Nifty lot size is 25. On a conservative note, let us assume that profit is booked at our target of 490 and we have not trailed the profit, which means per lot profit is 309 points. We are not considering high of 725 which was achieved. Thus total profit per one lot is 309 by 25, that is rupee 7,725. One lot of Bank Nifty required capital today was 181 into 25 is rupees 4,525. So a small capital of rupees 4,525 got you a profit of rupees 7,725, which is a phenomenal profit of 170% in a single day. No business in the world can get you so much profit with this least amount of risk with it. And remember, your profit gets multiplied as you trade higher lots as per our guidance. So as per today, if you just required 4,525 for one lot, which means that for 10,000 you could have traded at least 2 lots. So this is how you are able to make money in the Bank Nifty option with us, where our stop loss is small and targets are large. Somebody can also say that you booked profit at 490 level. Yes, those were our targets, but we do have techniques which we teach, train and guide you before you commence with us, so that you can ride the profit to the maximum. Why we invest our time in the client before starting? Because in their success lies our success. If you make money, only then you are going to be our repeat client. You can have a look of a screenshot of one of our client who was trading, and she is a lady trading with bare minimum, and at 11:38 a.m. her portfolio is showing a profit of 3,192 by trading with our requisite call. Hope the way our tips are given is understood, and we look forward for an association with the new clients, and we can assure you that once you are with us, you need not go anywhere else. We are SEBI registered investment advisory services, and you can have a look of the Bank Nifty option tips URL in the description box. Thank you.